Hey, David.
Hey, Mike. Good to see you. How's life treating you?
Not great, to be honest. I'm fed up with my job.
Fed up means tired of something.
Really? I thought things were going pretty well.
Not anymore. Every week there's another deadline, another meeting, and another pile of work waiting for me. Pile of work means a large amount of work to do.
Sounds like you're burning out. Burning out means feeling very tired because of too much work or stress.
Exactly. I'm thinking about quitting and starting my own business.
That's a big move. What kind of business?
I have no clue. I was hoping you could give me a few ideas.
Sure, let's see what we can come up with.
I'm all ears. I'm all ears means I'm listening carefully.
How about a food truck? Your barbecue is amazing.
Food trucks are expensive, and I don't want to work outside in the summer heat.
Fair enough. What about a pressure washing business? They're pretty popular these days. Pressure washing means cleaning something using a machine that sprays water at very high pressure.
I'd need expensive equipment, and there are already too many companies doing that.
Okay, then maybe a lawn care business.
Mowing lawns in the summer? No thanks.
Selling products online?
Too much competition.
Start a YouTube channel?
It takes too long to make money.
A handyman business? You're always fixing things around your house.
Handyman means a person who repairs or fixes things.
What if I make a mistake? One unhappy customer could ruin everything.
Mike, is there any business you're actually interested in?
Sure.
Great. Which one?
One that doesn't need much money to start, has no competition, guarantees a steady income, lets me work whenever I want, and has zero stress.
If you ever find a business like that, let me know. I'll quit my job too.
See? Every idea has a downside. Downside means the negative part of something.
That's because every business comes with risks.
You know what? I think I'll drop this business idea.
Seriously? After rejecting every single idea I gave you?
Yeah, at least my job pays the bills every month.
I guess we could have skipped this entire conversation.
My boss gives me headaches, but at least he pays me for them. And my coworkers are annoying, but compared to difficult customers, they're not so bad.
I never thought I'd hear you defend your job.
Don't get me wrong, I still don't like Mondays, or meetings, or my boss.
Sounds more like your normal self.
Maybe I'll just keep my job and complain about it for free.
I can't believe I wasted all that brain power for nothing.
Sorry, did you say something?
Oh, nothing at all.
Don't worry. One day I'll build a flourishing business, become a millionaire, retire early, and you'll be asking me for a job. Flourishing business means a business that is very successful and growing well.
Of course. I'll be your employee of the month.
That's the spirit.
Keep dreaming.
What was that?
I said keep dreaming big.
Exactly. That's the first step to success.
And the second step is going back to work tomorrow morning.
Unfortunately, you're right. I'll stick with my job a little longer.
Good choice. Just don't ask me for any more free business consulting.
Take the quiz on screen, select the correct option, and drop your answer in the comments below. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. It motivates me to make more videos.